Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you all our electronics project, which is an RFID based smart ID card and management system. So let us begin. So this is our front end, which have been made with Java GUI. Below you can see our smart ID card scanner, which is connected with our front end with Node MCU Wi-Fi. So in our project we have two admins, one is the web admin and the other is the user admin. So let me first log into the web admin and show you how it works. The web admin can do three basic works such as adding a user admin, updating a user admin's password and deleting a user admin. Let me add a user admin first. You can see it's successfully added. So now I'm going to log in to the user admin. So with the help of the user admin, a student can do few things such as registering himself to a semester, enroll to a course, update his bus route and view details of his semester. He can also issue book from the library and return the book and show the history of all the books he have issued and returned in a semester. He can also do the same function through the laboratory, and in attendance he can give attendance of a class and view the details of which classes he have attended. In bus, you can check into a bus and view its history and which route he has traveled in. So now one by one I'm going to demonstrate you all the functions. First of all, let me show you how a student can register to a semester, for which I have to click on the registration button, scan my ID card and input the information. So first of all, I'm going to scan my ID card. The ID card is scanned and now I have to give the input of the semester I want to register myself in. So here it goes. For CSC I have to write 2. The semester I want to register myself is 183. My name is Abir. ID I am using right now is 212. CGPA is 3.4 and bus route I travel in is 1. So let me check. Okay, everything is fine. If I click on to add, I have been successfully registered for the 183 semester. Okay, done. So for enrollment, I have to again do the same thing. Click on enrollment, scan my ID card, and then I can enroll to a subject or lab I want to enroll in. So let me show again how it works. So when I click on enrollment, let me scan in my ID card. Okay, now I have to write in the details. Semester 183. I'm gonna enroll into electronics, section A, and I am also going to take electronics lab. Again, section A. When I click on enrolled, I am successfully enrolled to these two sections. Okay. Next thing I am going to show is how to update my bus route, for which again I have to click on to update and scan my ID card. Scan my ID card and now I am going to update my route from 1 to 2, and it's been successfully updated. I want to show you the details of the student, for which again I have to scan my ID card in details. Once I'm done, I have to click on to done, and to show the details of my semester, to click on to show, and again you can see the enrollment I have done with these two courses, and I have registered myself, which is right here. and it's done. So next thing I'm going to show you is how the library function works. For issuing a book, I have to click on issue book and scan my ID card. Once I've scanned my ID card, I have to click on to done, and then I have to scan my book again, the book I want to issue. So after scanning the book, I have to click on to done, and I have issued the book successfully. So in our university you cannot issue more than 3 books at a time. If you try to issue 3 books, more than 3 books, it will show limit over. Other than that, you can again return your book, for which I have to scan my ID card again. Just a minute. I've scanned my ID card now, so I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to scan the book which I want to return and click on done. So the book has been returned successfully. Okay, so now if I want to view the history, I have to scan the book, ID card again, and once it's done, I have to click on to show, and it shows that I have the issued date when I issued the book and the return date, which is the same, and the book name that I have issued, that is Learn Python the Hard Way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show is attendance. For attendance, we have to click on attendance and write on which course wanna give your attendance for. Department 2 Electronics and section A. Okay, so when I click on enter, now I have to tap my ID card. Once I have tapped in my ID card, I have to click on to done, and the attendance is given. So now if I want to view the history, I have to again scan my ID card. Once the ID card is scanned, to show the history of my attendance, I have to click on show, and here it shows the date and time and this course I gave my attendance for. And the bus also works in the same way, like check-in and history, so I'm not showing you this. And the laboratory also works in the same way, so I'm not also showing you this. So this is my electronics project. Thank you everyone.